今年世界行动通信大会今仔号伫西班牙的巴塞隆纳举行，台湾科技大厂联发科、和硕、和宏达电等全球将近2700间公司参加哦，内底是6G 和 AI 相关的技术。
Here and we press the start detection button. Let's see what's going to happen.
这段影片经过侦测了后，发现有94%的几率是 AI 形成的轻微科技生产的。这款笔记型电脑荧幕为13寸变做18寸，伊的显示器是用会当凹的有机发光二极管 OLED 技术制作的。这款笔记型电脑只要予日头照20分钟，内底的电就够通好看1点钟的影片。伫掀开荧幕迄一边，内底有太阳能板。 会当甲光转换做电能，随时充电。这是伫西班牙巴塞隆纳举行的2025世界行动通信大会，这届甲重点放伫6G、甲形成式 AI 等等的技术。
Companies are diversifying their product lines by using AI and incorporating it, and then how it's also bettering the customer experience. Big thing for us really to address in 2025 is the impact of AI.
世界行动通信大会从深开始手机的电视会，到后来扩展做健康科技、甲移动设备，即马有 AI 加入。不过大会认为讲手机会是一个真大的商机。
1.4 billion mobile phones will be sold this year. That's 44 every second. But the manufacturers will be leaning heavily on AI as a means to try and drive interest in devices. The elephant in the room at Mobile World Congress is undoubtedly going to be the current geopolitical situation. Obviously, we've got a new administration in the US, which is using tariffs as a bit of a weapon towards other markets, particularly in Europe, where they're worried about the over-regulation of US companies. But also, I think there's going to be a number of Chinese manufacturers who will be looking with a certain amount of fear towards the US.
除了有为全球要3000间企业来参加展览，1200个专家甲政策制定的人士，而且按算还佫有超过10万人来参与。专家认为讲，目前地缘政治的局势，会是这届大会另外一个焦点。科技业者哪创新、哪竞争，还佫爱哪观察国际政治的发展。公司新闻吴文玲编译。